Wealth rarely arrives as a lightning bolt. It grows instead through repeating, boring choices that you can keep making even on tired days, with imperfect results that add up over time. If you treat money like a garden, you learn to tend it daily rather than waiting for a miracle harvest. Slow wealth isn't about luck. It's about building a small, steady engine that moves forward even when you don't feel excited, and it only needs ordinary inputs. Understanding that, you can start today with tiny changes that fit your real life, not some idealized plan you'll abandon tomorrow. First, live below your means and give your future self a real head start by making room for savings before expenses pull you under. Create a simple one-page budget and set automatic transfers to a savings or investment account so you don't have to rely on willpower. That means you can miss a budget by a few dollars and still stay on track as long as you keep saving. If debt weighs on you, tackle the high-interest balances first, and small, repeatable wins will start to compound into real relief. Choose an approach you can actually sustain, like the avalanche method or a quick snowball, and commit to sticking with it for 3 months. Next, build an emergency fund you can trust because the moment you have it, fear stops driving bad decisions. Aim for 3 to 6 months of essential living costs, and keep this money in a separate, accessible account intended only for emergencies. Then start investing early, even if the dollars feel tiny, because time is the true multiplier of wealth through deferring and compounding. Choose low-cost index funds or broad ETFs, and automate regular contributions, say $50 to $200 per month, so you don't have to rely on impulses. If a month goes off plan, don't quit. Adjust the plan and resume the next month with a little extra. To grow wealth slowly, you also grow your earning power over time by stacking skills that are marketable and durable. Identify a core skill, then add 2 supporting ones, test what pays, and gradually raise your price or switch to better opportunities. The point is momentum. Tiny wins today build bigger confidence for tomorrow. Automation is the quiet partner of consistency, turning intentions into steady moves even when life gets busy. Set up automated transfers, split your paycheck into tax-friendly buckets, and schedule semi-annual reviews of your investment plan to stay aligned. Automation also frees you from decision fatigue so you can worry about bigger, more meaningful money choices. Costs matter more when you look far ahead, so trimming avoidable expenses builds a cushion under every future milestone. Avoid lifestyle inflation by resisting every shiny upgrade for longer than you want, and celebrate bigger results from smarter choices, not bigger purchases. Small, consistent savings beat big, sporadic gains because time is on your side. Use tax-advantaged accounts when available and learn the basic rules so a small sum can grow under shelter. Even modest, regular contributions in a 401k, IRA, or HSA, plus patience, can compound tax advantages over many years. Diversify not only your investments but also your plan, so a setback in one area doesn't derail your whole path. Set tiny milestones, review progress a couple of times per year, and keep your eye on the horizon even when markets wobble. For a concrete picture, if you save $300 a month and invest it in a broad index fund for 20 years, the effect is surprisingly powerful. Add a modest wage raise and occasional side income over time, and the math of compounding starts to feel almost magical. Over time, you'll notice your habits shaping your numbers more than luck or genius. Common traps slow progress, chasing hot tips, paying high fees, and treating a plan as a magic wand. Stay with low costs, a tested strategy, and a long horizon, even when progress feels slow or dull. If you want a practical start, here's a clear 30-day checklist you can actually follow without reinventing your life. Share this with a friend who wants to build wealth slowly and tell me what you plan to try first. Like this video, subscribe for more practical money steps, and leave a comment with the first tiny habit you will start this month.